So we will walk from here, guys, all the way to the traffic light, and then we're gonna go to the bakery. So I got my pie, guys, and we're going back, walk back now. So all the way back. So tiresome, guys, but anyway, feels good. So malapit na tayo. We're nearly there. We are nearly there. Maybe just, I don't know, but I can see the finishing line. The finishing line is up there. So we are super nearly there. Whew. Oh, the sweat. I sweat a bit. So we arrived, guys, in our accommodation now. So let's have a drink. Coconut water. Make sure you hydrate, guys, after you walk. Oh, that feels good. I can't believe I did that. But anyway, we made it. We made it, guys. That's refreshing. So seafood pie, guys. Seafood pie. Let's see what's inside. So this is what it looks like inside. It's got seafood, veggies. It's got some mussel, crab stick, and shrimp. But it tastes so good. So ito na yung pie, guys. Oh, sarap. Masarap siya. Yan yung loob niya. Mayroon siyang crab sticks. It looks siyak, but it tastes so good. There's mussel. So let's try. So naglakad tayo, talaga tayo, guys, para bumili nitong pie. Wala pa namang sauce. Masarap siya. It's good. It's yummy. Very creamy. Nice.